મનીષ તો મારો ભાઈ તો બહુ સારો છે, બધા માટે બહુ સારું કરે છે. તારા જેવું કોઈ નથી. તું છોકરાઓને કેટલું સરસ રાખસ છે. ક્યાં ને ક્યાં લઈ ગયો. એવા જેવો તો કોણ તારા જેવું કોણ થાય મનીષ? આટલી સરસ પત્ની મળી ગઈ છે. ઘર સાચવે, છોકરાઓ સાચવે.
Hello, Manish. I love you. I love you and their family. You are the pillar of their family. Look after their family very well. And God bless you. Bye.
Oh, hi, Manish. Daddy says we love you. We love our family, and you are the pillar of our family. Okay. Good luck. Bye.
Dear Manish, how I can forget the day when you passed away and you told me that I will not go to US for further study. Let the people should go. And people came. He studied in USA and he joined business immediately. That was the first which I cannot forget. Secondly, when people came to India and if we wanted to get his marriage, I thought that we should reduce the expense. Then you said, no, we will borrow money for that. My birthday expense should be more than what I was spent for me. And the Kajura village was your idea. It was so excellent. Everybody was surprised. And it was the first time in the history of marriage the people brought the Kajura. Where the third issue, when I want to get married with Kamala, you came willingly with me to give a confidence to me. So I cannot forget all these things. So I love you so much. So much. Which cannot be by third person. Third person, because I will be always with you and you will be always with me.
ભાઈ બસ ઘણા વર્ષો પહેલાં આપણે તમને અમે એઝ એ ભાભી જમાઈ તરીકે મળ્યા આપણે અને પસંદ પણ પડી ગયા. અને આવી રીતે તમે એઝ એ સન ઇન લો રાધર અમારા દીકરા તરીકે તમે અમારા ફેમિલીમાં આવી ગયા. અને બસ ત્યારથી આપણો સંબંધ સરસ રીતે એકદમ ચાલુ થયો. મારી શીતલ બહુ જ ખુશ છે. અને એવા બે ડાયમંડ જેવા બે દીકરા યશવર્ધન અને માયન, એનાથી બસ આપણું જાણે આપણું બધું જ પૂરું થઈ ગયું, આપણી ઈચ્છાઓ બધી. અને હું નાની બની ગઈ. અને મનીષભાઈ, તમે અમારા ફેમિલીમાં આવ્યા રાધર જઈને તમે એમ કહો ને કે બધાના દિલો દિમાગમાં છવાઈ ગયા એઝ એ પહેલાં જમાઈ તરીકે. અને બધા જ આમ જાણે કે મનીષભાઈ થઈ ગયું હતું. અને મને તો બહુ જ સંતોષ છે. તમે પારુલ અને અંકિત માટે મોટા ભાઈની ફરજ બજાવી છે. અને રાધર અંકિતને તો ઘણો જ તમારાથી હૂંફ અને સધિયારો મળ્યો છે. અને એઝ એ ગાઈડન્સ પણ ઘણું જ મળ્યું છે અંકિતને. અને બધા અને હું અને ગૌતમ હંમેશા બહુ જ તમારી સાથે બહુ જ શાંતિ લાગતી હતી. કંઈ પણ એમ કે ચલો કંઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે તો મનીષભાઈ છે તો આપણો પ્રોબ્લેમ હલ થઈ જશે. એટલે તમારી સાથે વાત કરીએ, આ કરીએ, જે એક શાંતિની જે અનુભૂતિ થતી એ જ મારા મન માટે તો બહુ જ મોટી વાત છે. અને બસ અમે અને વી આર વેરી પ્રાઉડ ઓફ યુ. અને બસ હવે છેલ્લે બસ ઈશ્વર પાસે એ જ પ્રાર્થના છે કે તમને બસ ઉત્તરોત્તર તમારા જીવનમાં પ્રગતિ થતી રહે અને તમારું હેલ્થવાઇઝ બધું જ ભગવાન એકદમ જ બધું તમને તંદુરસ્તી ભર્યું જીવન બક્ષે. બસ મારી એ જ પ્રાર્થના છે કે બાય.
Hi Manish, we are waiting for you. Matai vaat chok chu, marchas are ready for you. You since long you have not come home, so please come. And all the best for your near future.
Hi Manish Shankar. All I want to say is you are an awesome person.
I've known, and it's fun to be with you. Come home, we'll be waiting.
Hi Manish Kaka, it's been about 28 years that I've known you, but in reality it's been about 5 years that we've actually started talking about everything, and it's been a fun time with you. Every single time that you come down to Vapi, it's been all those long nights, all the times that we've gone out in Daman or Silvassa have been awesome. All those late nights have been really good. Hope to have a lot more of those.
મનીષ, તું આપણા કુટુંબમાં શું ચીજ છો એ કદાચ તને ખબર નહીં હોય. આપણા આવતા જનરેશનમાં યુ આર ધ એલ્ડેસ્ટ પર્સન. તું એટલો બધો સ્ટોન્ચ છો, ઇન અ બિલીવર. તું એટલો બધો સ્ટ્રિક્ટ છો કે ક્યારેક એવું થાય કે જ્યારે તારી પાસે કોઈ માણસો બેઠા હોય તો એમ લાગે કે તું બહુ રફ છો, પણ જે તું એડવાઇસ આપસ ને એ તું જાણતો હોય તો જ આપસ, અદરવાઇઝ તો નથી આપતો, અદરવાઇઝ તો માણસોથી હટી જશે. તારા જે સંબંધ છે, પહેલાં તો તારા બે દીકરાઓ અને વહુ શીતલ સાથે, એ બે દીકરાઓ માટેથી જે સેક્રિફાઈસ કરેલું છે ને મનીષ, એના માટે થઈ તે બેંકોક વયા ગયા કે મારા બે દીકરાઓની લાઈફ સારી થઈ જાય, એ લોકો કાલે એકદમ ફાઇન વ્યક્તિ બની જાય, ફાઇન જેન્ટલમેન બની જાય, એના માટે તે જે સેક્રિફાઈસ આપી છે, આઈ એપ્રિશિએટ યુ ફોર ધેટ મેટર. ઇવન શીતલ, હેટ્સ ઓફ ટુ યુ. મનીષ, તારી એડવાઇસ માટે કોઈ બી માણસ તારી પાસે આવે ત્યારે તે બરાબર જ એડવાઇસ આપેલી છે. ઇનફેક્ટ આઈ વિલ કન્ફેસ કે કેટલી ફેરે જ્યારે હું અટકી ગયો હોઉં ત્યારે હું તારી પાસે આવેલો છું કે મનીષ, હવે મારે શું કરવાનું. હકીકતમાં रिश्तों में तो मैं तेरा चाचा होता है, लेकिन हम लोग अभी बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई. टू प्रूव दैट पॉइंट, આપણે હેતલના લગ્નમાં આપણે ગયા હતા નૈરોબી, અને પાર્કલેસ સ્પોર્ટ્સ ક્લબમાં તે મને સામેથી બોલાવ્યો કે અશોકભાઈ, મને તમારી સાથે વાત કરવી છે. આપણે બપોરે 3:30 વાગે બેઠા હતા અને આપણે એક પર્ટિક્યુલર વ્યક્તિ માટે વાત કરેલી કે અશોકભાઈ, આનું આપણે કંઈક કરવું જોઈએ. That shows your concern for the family and the કુટુંબ. કુટુંબ માટે હું વાત કરું. એક ફેર આપણે ભેગા બેઠા હતા ત્યારે તારી આંખમાં નીર આવી ગયા કે અશોકભાઈ, મને એમ લાગે છે કે આપણી ફેમિલી એકબીજાથી ડ્રિફ્ટ થાય છે. સોશિયલ કોમ્યુનિકેશન વોટ્સઅપનું છે, એમાં આપણી હરિયા ફેમિલી છે, એ છતાંય એમ લાગે છે આપણે બધા એકબીજાથી ડ્રિફ્ટ થઈએ છીએ. તને દુઃખ થયું અને તારા આંખમાં નીર આવી ગયા છે. મનીષ, યુ આર ઓલ્સો અ ફાઇનાન્શિયલ વિઝાર્ડ, a mathematical wizard. You've got a bloody good friend circle, a social circle. You give time for everybody. આપણા કુટુંબમાં કોઈને બી ત્યાં નાનો કે મોટો પ્રસંગ હોય, યુ મેક શ્યોર કે તું હાજરી આપવાની કોશિશ કરીશ. એના પર બીજું મારે કંઈ ઉમેરવું છે મનીષ તારા માટે, એ કદાચ બધાને ખબર નહીં હોય કે થોડાક ટાઈમ પહેલાં જ્યારે મુંબઈથી યુએસ તું જ્યારે બિઝનેસ ક્લાસને ફર્સ્ટ ક્લાસમાં જતો હતો ત્યારે તારી બાજુમાં એક 70 વર્ષના એક ગુજરાતી કાકા બેઠા હતા, અને તને થયું કે એ લોકોએ વેજીટેરિયન ફૂડ એના માટે ઓર્ડર નહીં કરેલો હોય, તે તારા માટે કરેલો હતો. એટલે તે હોસ્ટેસને કીધું કે પ્લીઝ આ મારે આખી ડિનરની પ્લેટ છે, એમાંથી તમે અડધું મને આપો ને અડધું કાકાને આપો. એટલે કાકાએ બરાબર જમી લીધું, તે બરાબર જમી લીધું. એક્ઝેક્ટલી 1 કલાક પછી કાકા સીટની નીચે વાંકા વળી એનો ડબ્બો ખોલ્યો, થેપલા, બટાકાનું શાક અને અચાર કાઢી લીધું. એને કાકાએ બરાબર જઈમાં. એ ચીજ મને હજી યાદ છે, તો મને કીધું છે. તારી કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ છે એ અત્યારે આ લિસ્ટમાં તો મને ઓછી પડે, અનલેસ અને અનલેસ તારી ફિલ્મ પડાવીએ કે તારી ઓટોબાયોગ્રાફી લખાવીએ તો બાકી બરાબર છે. બટ એઝ અ નોન સ્મોકર, એઝ અ ટીટોટલર, તારામાં ખાસિયત એવી છે કે તું બધા પાર્ટીના ટેબલ પર બેસ અને તું બધી પાર્ટી લાઈવલી કરસ. એક ખાસ તને કહેવાનું કે જે તું વાપી આવી અને મારા બાને તું રિસ્પેક્ટ આપસ ને એનાથી મારું મન તારા માટે અધિક ગણું થઈ ગયું છે. બાવતી, કાકીવતી, સિમોના અને મંજુલવતી, હસુ અને અશુવતી, પુનીતા, હેતુ, ધર્મી, સર્વેશ, આન્યા અને શ્રીયનવતી, મને તમારા બધાના પરિવાર એટલે કે આપણું યશવર્ધન, માયન, શીતલ, મનીષ, અમારા શુભેચ્છા, શુભ આશીર્વાદ અને અમે ગમે ત્યારે તમને જરૂર પડે અમે ઉભા છીએ.
મનીષ આમ તો એ મારો નાનો ભાઈ છે, પણ હંમેશા મને ગાઈડ કરેલી છે એઝ અ મોટા ભાઈ તરીકે. એણે ઓલવેઝ મને સાચી સલાહ આપી છે અને હંમેશા સાથ આપ્યો છે કરીને. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુમાં તકલીફમાં હોઈએ તો એ રસ્તો કાઢી આપે એમ છે કરીને. નાનપણથી જ એને છોકરાઓ બહુ ગમતા હતા. જેવું વેકેશન એને પડે એટલે અલકાને મોકલશે, કુનાલને, રાજાને લઈ આવ કરીને, અને પછી રૂકાશે એને બારે પણ ફરવા લઈ જશે. એ જ રીતે અત્યારે પણ એને એના છોકરાઓ એટલા ગમે છે. હી ઇઝ અ બેસ્ટ ફાધર. ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ.
Hello everyone, hello Manish bhai. So just to get straight into it, when Sheetal first asked me to make this video, I, just like many others I presume, was a little confused about how I could condense my message, which would be related to this topic, in such a short video. So after a few attempts and somewhere I went off on multiple tangents as usual, decided to keep it simple and just give you, well, what the whole video is about. So my heartfelt gratitude to you, Manish bhai. It's been a pleasure to get to know you over the years, and I only look forward to the years to come. You've been one of the few gentlemen in my life who I would like to model myself after, so thank you for being someone like that in my life. Thank you for everything. I mean, I cannot list specifics over here, or this video will go on for a very long time. So in the spirit of keeping it simple, once again, thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for your time, and most importantly, of course, your unconditional love. So Sheetal, thank you for putting this together. I hope to see you all very, very soon. Give my love to both of my happy nephews.
ક્યાંથી ચાલુ
Bye-bye.
કરું એ મને ખબર નથી, પણ તારી સાથે મોટા થઈને કેટલી બધી મેમરીઝ છે નાનપણની, તો મને લાગે છે કે 3 કલાકની વિડીયો બી ઓછી પડશે. પણ ટુ મેક થિંગ્સ શોર્ટ, I remember the fights we used to have, and now the love we share, and I'm really thankful for all those pleasant and unpleasant times where how we grew up and how we used to harass each other and fight each other. I can never forget those days, like especially the dinner table ones where we had to pass things to one another, and we would fight over the food, and then for so many days we would not talk to each other, and then again start and all. That was a real good time we had, and I really miss those days. Now we've grown up, so now we have that different bonding, and I'm really very happy with my brothers and sisters, and I love you all, and I love my Gotias and everyone.
So we take this
Bye.
opportunity to tell you how lucky I am to have you as my brother-in-law, for all the small things that you do, for all the inspiration that you provide. Actually, it was you whom I saw, and I said yes to come to the family, because I knew if I follow your footsteps, so I can deal with this crazy family just the way you have. So thank you so much for everything that you do. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we've come to Bandra. We thought we would look for a nice rainbow to show you, but the rain stopped and there's no rainbow. So it's just really hot and really muggy. But anyway, so I hope that you are so far, whatever Sheetal has prepared for you. I think it's an excellent idea. You know, we never tell people how we feel. We always wait until it's like a eulogy or until it's like a, you know, something where it's just too late to tell somebody that you care for them and they've done so much for you throughout the years, and you know how much you have done. And stop that, Jinesh. Okay. So it's I know, I mean, can think of all of the things, you know, where you've stood by our side. Like an entire family depends on you for everything, you know, for guidance, for support, for ideas, for just, you know, for someone to be there at all times, you know, that we know we can depend on. We know that will never, will never disappoint us in any way. Jinesh always, like, he's of course has had an earful for me, because it's always my jijaji this, my brother-in-law this, Manish Bhai this, that you can actually ask anybody. They probably know you better than they know Sheetal, because it's always something or the other where I'm talking about you, you know, and about how amazing you have been for our family. With me, though, the love of books that we share together, that, you know, all of the books I've stolen from you and I've borrowed from you, and, you know, just the way that you are as a dad, the way you take care of Yashvardhan and Mayan, and the way you manage Sheetal, the way you've kept her so happy over the years. Just seeing you now, seeing your personality, the way you talk, the way you fill a room with your presence, and I just hope I hope that God gives you everything that you want, and, you know, we love you so much, and we all want, you know, the best for you, and you know, all the best. God bless, and we just
miss you in Bombay.
Yes, we miss you very much in Bombay, and please come back soon. And now, please stay with us. Give us a chance to, you know, give me a chance to entertain you the way you guys entertained me when I came there. And then Jinesh will also come. All right, bye.
Bye, bye.
Hi. From the time that I have known Manish Bhai, I have always seen him to be a dedicated son, a lovely brother, and not only to Bimal but also to me when I was new in the family and when I needed a lot of support and understanding, and I will always be thankful to him for that. In the coming years, I have seen him to be an excellent husband, and the best and the favorite part of this whole thing is I have seen him to be such a loving father to Yashvardhan and Mayan, and I have seen it with my eyes and I have felt it with my heart, and I think that is one of the best qualities of Manish Bhai. Today and always, I just wish him all the best. I want him to stay happy, stay blessed, and stay healthy.
Hi Manish, hope you're doing well. It's really great to see you happy with what all you're doing. Wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and thank you for being there. Take care.
Hi Manish Mama. The first time that I met you, I was really surprised and taken aback by how similar Kunal and you look. And I just hope that he's a reflection of who you truly are. Your really sharp mind, your wittiness, and obviously when I see you with Yashvardhan and Mayan, it makes my heart melt to see a father love his children so much. And I'm so glad Sheetal Mami is making this video for you, and so that we all have a chance to express how we really feel for you.
How are you? Hope things are well. There is no one memory that I can point towards. There have been way too many, from me being a 3-year-old watching late night movies and then analyzing the movies, then from you to drop me off to college, then coming to the office every Friday and discussing just random things, what to look for my partner, and thank you for helping me choose Dasha. I will continue, of course, and even in the future I'm going to keep coming to you for these silly or big, cancel that, and I'm going to continue coming to you whenever I have to make a decision. Thank you for all this.
Like Manish, તારા લીધે મારી લાઈફમાં પહેલી વાર સ્પીચ આપવી પડે છે. But I tell you one thing, you are a very good friend. I'm really blessed that I have a good friend like you, who is always helpful and supportive, and whenever I need you, you are always there. God bless you, and stay blessed.
Destiny forgets to tie some people in blood relationships, but then it corrects its mistake by making them true
Hariya, our
friends.
relationship goes way back. I know you since your chaddi days. Means we are chaddi buddy. I remember the first time we met in 7th standard and you extended your hand, leading to our beautiful friendship. We have seen highs and lows together, girls together, fights together, but I wouldn't change a thing because it has lead us to the people we are. Love you and
Manish,
love
your
your big
friendship
belly.
with Chetan did not limit itself just to you and him. We too became friends. You became a kaka to both Kshitij and Anmol. Our families too have a great connection with each other, which goes back to the old Santa Cruz days and the good old days of Rotla and Chash. Can never forget them. They are memories to me for a lifetime. Stay the way you are. God bless you. God bless Sheetal, Yashwardhan, and Mayan.
Hi Manish
Love
Kaka,
you
you've
all.
always been one of my favorite Kakas. I've always enjoyed how you come to watch me play basketball. Those times you come over and we've gone to have Starbucks. You've always been a wonderful person and you've been more than just a Kaka and a friend to me. I look forward to the times we have in the future and I can't wait to see you again. It's been great. Take care and hopefully see you very soon.
Manish, there's no occasion today, but it's really sweet of Sheetal to ask me to record something for you. And recording something means for a person as good as you, it cannot be anything but less than a sweet message. I seriously believe जब हम आपसे मिले लोनावला में for the first time, you came across as a very fun-loving and jovial person. You went along with the flow. You were like one of us over there on that rainy day, and then you joined our group. Over the period of time that you have been there with us, we have been together, I've realized that you're a wonderful father, you're a devout husband, you always understand what Sheetal wants, you always respect her wishes, and you're a fabulous, fabulous father doing anything under the sun for your boys. I really hold you in a very, very high esteem, and I believe you are a wonderful friend, always there, just a call away, just a WhatsApp away. You know you have done so much for me by sending my medicines to my mother in Australia, the stuff to my brother in Australia. It was really, you went out of your way to do things for me. And I'm sure that's the way you are, and that makes you different and puts you on a pedestal. Thank you so very much for everything. Just be my friend, be our friend forever. God bless you, always, always.
Manish, few years back when we met for the first time in Lonavala, I could easily imagine that you will be a great friend, very supportive person, and a great human being. During last few years, I have found that you are much more than that, a very polite, humble, knowledgeable, dedicated, down to earth, cool, supportive, hardworking, caring, and loving person. Today is not any special day, but to complement any of your qualities, we need not to select any day for that. And usually I have seen that you don't need any day to compliment, and we cannot express sometimes in words in front of the person whom we want to compliment. Here I would like to say that you are a most genuine person I have ever met in my life. You are very kind, very respectful, very thoughtful, and very inspirational to everyone. Since I knew that you have started working since the age of 16 years, and you have done so much work in South Africa, then Dubai, then India, now Bangkok. It's not easy to keep all the issues at home with you, to progress, to run your company efficiently, and to grow faster, and to take care of family and kids. I appreciate that you thought so much about your family, and you have taken your kids to Bangkok for the study purpose only. One more thing I would like to say, that You are an inspiration now to everyone, because if you can start working at the age of 16 and grow so much and working at the same level which you started with, then we must also do that. You are a caring person, you are a caring husband, loving father, and a great friend. May God bless you, and always we pray that you stay happy, be blessed always. And I would like to say that few words that fits in to your personality very much, that मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है, डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ भी जिंदगी में, मेहनत करने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है. So be happy, be blessed, and be with us always, and remain like this. Thank you very much.
Hi Manish. I'm not that great at expressing things, but let me try, only for you. I have known you for years, someone with kind heart who I know is just a phone call away when I need him. My stay in India is always a pleasant one because of you. Thank you for being there and being you.
Hi Manish bhai, you know Bhabhi has given this chance to say some words about you. But then unfortunately she does not know that you can't be describing few words or few minutes. Anyhow, do you still remember those days of our office picnics and how fun we had? And do you remember how we thrashed that guy in Ahmednagar? Those moments and many as such others still bring smile even today. I remember those days when you came into business and how you earned respect from the staff and how all eventually started looking up to you. I can go on and on talking about you, but I know you and you wouldn't appreciate that, and you would just put up a comment that no muska please. But boss, I would like to emphasize your two qualities which earned you so much love and respect. Your ability to listen to people's problem, digest them and give a non-biased solution in a way of opinion. Second quality, a big heart that you have, helping people in most silent way and never ever talking of how you help them. Though we don't meet often, as you are not in Mumbai, but you are always in my heart, my thoughts, my prayers. God bless you and always keep you the way you are. Do not ever you change, Manish bhai. We love to look up to you, value your guidance and love showered on all of us. Keep well and keep smiling. And boss, don't reduce your weight. Your bulk goes with your larger than life personality. Love you, take care, and I still have the first Mount Blanc which you gave it to me. Here it is. Keep well. Thank you.
Greetings from Bombay, Manish and Sheetal. As a person, I always value my friends more than family, because I believe friends are the family you choose, not inherit. I'd like to thank Ashokji and Rakshita for introducing us to you guys. Wonderful Manish and Sheetal. We really enjoyed those evenings we've had in Mumbai and the early morning breakfast that we do have, and look forward to many more when you're in Bombay next. Manish, as a person, it's been a pleasure to know you. Fun-loving, caring, stress-free. What can I say? You're an amazing man, boss. Your must-hai, chalta-hai attitude is contagious, and we really enjoyed the time we spent with you in Bombay, with and without Sheetal. Have a great day ahead. Keep smiling, keep glowing, and guys, we will see you soon in about 20 days when we're in Bangkok for a meal. Have a great day. Bye.
Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. I know Manish since childhood. It's been, I think, since 3rd standard. He's one of my best friends. He's a very giving person, very understanding. You can trust him for anything. Once he commits on something, he always says yes, it will be done. And of course, I've been working with him since the last 7 years. It has been an awesome experience. He understands things very quickly.
in just 5 minutes he'll either tell you yes or no. He comes up with really good ideas also, and it's really fun working with him. And of course we've traveled the world together, US, across Asia. Of course next week we are going to Goa together, so it's going to be fun. I remember at one point of time Sheetal used to get very jealous that me and Manish meet more often, and she gets very little time with him. Of course now that he's moved to Bangkok, I think he's really enjoying himself because he's worked really hard for so many years. But I wish him all the best, and I'll see him. I actually see him much more than Sheetal, I think, because he spends a lot of time in Mumbai also. And all the best. Both Manish and Sheetal has given me is of course of Amaira. It was one early morning at 9 o'clock. I was in Pune and I got a call saying, "Oh, where are you?" I said, "I am in Pune." And Sheetal is like, "Okay, you have to be in Jamnagar like tomorrow morning." And that was like, oh my god, I just woke up. Anyway, that was the best ever gift, or whatever you call it, done by Manish and Sheetal both. And they helped us throughout till everything was, all the formality paperwork was over. We are very lucky to have Amaira, only thanks to Manish and Sheetal, and of course they are their godmother and godfather, and they have to take care of her always, and I know they will.
Manish bhai, you are a man of few words but big actions. તમારી પર્સનાલિટી એકદમ સ્ટ્રોંગ છે, પણ તમારું લાફ્ટર એકદમ જ ઇનોસન્ટ અને નાના બાળક જેવું છે, વિચ ઇઝ જે બધાને બહુ જ ગમે છે. અને તમારી સાથે એટલે તમે બહુ જ ઇમોશનલ અને બધા માટે ઓલવેઝ, અને તમને બધાને મળવાનું બહુ ઓલવેઝ મન થતું હોય. તમે ઓલવેઝ ટ્રાય કરો કે બધાનું આપણો પ્લાન થાય, બધા મળીએ સાથે, તમને બધાને મળવાનું હંમેશા ઈચ્છા થતી હોય. અને તમે યુ આર અ વેરી ગુડ ડેડિકેટેડ ફાધર, અ વેરી ગુડ લવિંગ હસબન્ડ, અને તમે પરફેક્ટ છો ઇન ઓલ ધ સેન્સ.
Hi Manish bhai, how are you? Missing those card sessions with you and those junk food sessions we had together. We always remind you when we all get together because your huge laughter always used to make felt your presence, even louder than your voice. So whenever you are coming down, let's make a point to catch up with each other. Until then, have a good time.
Hello,
Bye.
મનીષ ભાઈ, અમને જ્યારે શીતલે આ કીધું તમારા વિશે બોલવાનું, ત્યારે પહેલો વિચાર તો જ્યારે પણ તમારા વિશે કંઈ પણ વિચારીએ તો તમારા માટે એકદમ લવિંગ, સ્પેશિયલી ફેમિલી લવિંગ, કેરિંગ, પણ સાથે સાથે એટલા જ સ્ટ્રોંગ પર્સનનું પિક્ચર પોર્ટ્રેટ થાય. અને તમે બધા રોલમાં એઝ અ સ્પેશિયલી શીતલ માટે બેસ્ટ હસબન્ડ, બાળકો માટે બેસ્ટ ફાધર, અને સાથે સાથે પારુલ અને અંકિત માટે બેસ્ટ, તમે એમના બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ અને સાથે સાથે એક ભાઈ તરીકે પૂરી જવાબદારી નિભાવી છે. અને એના માટે વી ઓલ ફીલ રિયલી વેરી હેપી. અને સુધાબેનની સાથે તો તમારા વિશે વાત કરીએ એટલે એમનું મોઢું જોવા જેવું હોય, એટલા બધા ખુશ હોય કે મારે તો બંને દીકરાઓ જ છે, મને કોઈ દિવસ એવું લાગ્યું જ નથી કે હું એકલી પડી ગઈ છું. અને ધેટ ઇઝ એ વાત અમને એટલી બધી તમારા માટે ખુશી અને આનંદ આપે છે કે આઈ હેવ નો વર્ડ્સ ટુ એક્સપ્રેસ. સો વી ઓલ લવ યુ મનીષભાઈ. પ્લીઝ ટેક કેર of your health and enjoy, and God bless you. We all love you, Manish bhai.
Hi Manish bhai, Sheetal. Manish bhai માટે કહેવાનું કીધું મને, તો જેમ બધાએ રિપીટ કર્યું છે હું થોડું એક લાઈનમાં પહેલાં રિપીટ કરી લઉં કે વેરી ડેડિકેટેડ હસબન્ડ, વેરી ડેડિકેટેડ father, and a great son-in-law. It's not a right word, son-in-law, son-in-law I should say. A wonderful person who everywhere responsibility એટલી સરસ રીતે નિભાવી છે, અને ઓલવેઝ બહુ જ સરસ સાથ આપ્યો છે અને બહુ જ આનંદ આપ્યો છે ગૌતમ શાહ એન્ડ ફેમિલીને. અને એવરીવન એક કનેક્ટેડ બધા, ઇવન હિંમતલાલ, લીલાબેન શાહ family, I would say that would be much better thing to say. Now one more thing, you are apart, everybody saying you are a dedicated person, agreed, a very enterprising person, want to do every time something new, want to explore every time something new. That made you a very fantastic person. Now at this age, only one suggestion, that as you have a habit of evolving every time, now start evolving at your own end, looking at your own end, and enjoy every moment of the life. First of all, by taking care of your health, and then taking care of your family. So this is a fantastic, that phase of your life wherein you can take it to miles ahead and enjoy every moment of your life. That is what we would like. Though you must be doing it, but just always એક સદભાવના સાથે હંમેશા આવી જાય ને, એટલે આ એક સદભાવનાની એક સજેશન છે. બટ મનીષભાઈ વન્ડરફુલ પર્સન, બહારથી બહુ જ સ્ટ્રોંગ દેખાય પણ અંદરથી બહુ પ્રેમાળ છે, અને that we have felt your all that emotions. So keep loving and get loving. Take care.
It's always pleasure to be with you. More like friend. સારા બનીને રિલેશન ઓછા છે, ફ્રેન્ડ્સના રિલેશન અમારા અને મનીષના વધારે છે. અમે ક્યારે બી બહારગામ જઈએ, ટ્રીપ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરીએ તો એની સાથે જવામાં બહુ મજા આવે. વેરી ઇન્ટેલિજન્ટ, વેરી સ્માર્ટ, ટેન્શન ફ્રી, હી નોઝ હાઉ ટુ લીવ લાઈફ. અને ક્યારેય બી અમને કાંઈ બી સલાહ જોતી હોય, એડવાઇસ જોતી હોય, ભલે હું એનાથી એલ્ડર છું તો એની સલાહ સૂચન લેવામાં મને ગમે. એની બારામાં જેટલું બોલવું એટલું ઓછું પડશે.
Thank you.
This is the video especially for you, and I'm really blessed having a kaka like you. You've always been so straightforward and not at all manipulative about your views and ideas and suggestions about life. Whenever I've asked you anything, you have always given me right guidance, whether being good or bad. If I feel good, feel bad, it was always straightforward. When I got admission in Bombay, I was so new to Bombay, didn't know anything about that city. You welcomed me to your house to stay till I got admission elsewhere. But you've always taken care. I've spent the best moments with you. You're the best. Always stay the same, and I really love you. Thank you so much for being a part of my life.
Hey Manish, how are you? Well, words are not enough to describe you. You are a fantastic person, doting father, a loving husband, and a friend with a golden heart. Also, you are a successful person. But the beauty of it is that the success has not reached your head. You are a down-to-earth person, and everyone needs to learn this quality of yours. Always stay the way you are, dear friend Mania. Friends for life, stay happy, stay rocking, stay blessed with your family.
Hi Manish, from the interactions we've had with you,
You are a gem of a person.
be like that always.
Hello Manish.
Bye.
It's been many years I am working with you, and it's my pleasure to work with you. And in future, God fulfills your all wishes and all your dreams. God bless
Let me tell you, the first thing I remember about you is you being so mischievous and naughty in my old days. You being so naughty with me that you used to pull my legs upside down, and those were the best moments I ever had. And now being an adult, you are like a mentor to me who keeps on guiding me in my bad times as well as in my all stage of life. So thank you for all your support. We love you.
Hello Mama, it's been a wonderful journey from being a kid to becoming an adult. You have always been joyful and a cheerful person when we were kids. I used to remember that when we were small, you used to pull our legs and play with us and becoming a kid. It was the best time ever, I remember. Thanks for the wonderful time, and thanks in advance for the future which you are going to help us. Cheers. We love you.
મને આવે 14 વર્ષ થયા, પણ ક્યારે પણ અમને લાગ્યું નથી કે મારા ભાઈ આણંદ છે કે અહીંયા છે. મને મારા ભાઈથી પણ તમે વિશેષ રાખો છો. ક્યારે પણ એની ટાઈમ તમે નાના મોટા કાંઈ પણ ફંક્શનમાં અમને સૌથી પહેલા ઇન્વાઇટ કરો છો, ને આપણો રિલેશન આવી રીતના રહે એ જ.
Hi Mama, I'm so happy that Sheetal Mami decided to make this video for you.
There is no occasion, so let me just call it Happy Mama Day. You've been an influence on our lives since childhood, and you've introduced us to all the fancy things in life. What I remember about you as a child is you taking us to society stores when we used to come for our summer vacation to stay, buying us, spoiling us, taking us to Space Jam, introducing us to Monopoly. That's like my main business item now, all thanks to you. And you've always been there, and you're like a guardian to us. I know that you're just a call away, you don't express it much, but I remember once just after mom had passed away, you just come and told me that I am your mama, which is double ma plus ma, so it's double ma, and you actually proved to be that. Thank you for that, and have a lovely life. Thank you very much, mama, and we are proud of you. Be the way you are.
Kaka, you've always been there for me, and you are the best Kaka I can ever ask for. We've had a lot of fun memories together, and I'll always cherish them. Thank you, love you, bye.
Hi Bhaiya, this one's for you as requested by Bhabhi, and it's actually a very, very warm and a loving gesture on her part to actually reach out to, as we can say, I'm lucky enough to be close enough to you guys, and she's requested all of us to make a video for you. That just shows how much she loves you. That's the first point. Second point, about Manish Bhai. One of the most caring, loving, understanding and forgiving people I know. Who gave me a place to stay in his home, and there was a wonderful couple of months spent in Bombay during my training period in Air India. Also, we had you took such good care. I mean, I don't know who does that nowadays. And I hope you guys are having an awesome time in Bangkok. We miss you though. Whenever I come to Bombay, I think I'll call you guys, but then I realized that you guys have shifted to Bangkok, and I actually miss you, both of you. And I mean, what is there to say? I mean, you're an awesome person, Manish Bhai. Just stay like that, and your kids are lucky to have you. They're very, very lucky to have you and Bhabhi both as parents, and I wish them all the success as well, and see you guys soon in Bangkok. I'm sorry I'm not really expressive, so this is the maximum I can do. Alright, take care. Bye.
Manish is a very good person, and he has taken very good care of the business interests and family of the Harya Group. We wish him all the best.
Manish is a very good person, he is very kind-hearted, and I wish him all the best in his life.
Sheetal, I have to express myself for Manish. Well, Manish has been so kind to accommodate me in his cabin in as early as 1988. Every Saturday I used to go to him. We used to sit, talk, have lunch together. In those days only my introduction to industry happened. Then later, during the time of IPO of Harya Exports, 1994, Manish had demonstrated marvelous sportsman spirit. You know, he was too good in rewarding people. Then during 99, when I had to buy a flat, he paid 14% of the amount. He gave me interest-free loan, which I paid after 2-3 years. Then again during our demerger and amalgamation, there were a lot of expense. He supported heavily, and only because of his willingness this happened. And all agencies were very well paid, including me. Then in 2012, again when I wanted some money for my office, he paid 10% of my money as an interest-free loan, which I repaid in 2015. So I've been always receiving from him. I don't know when I'll repay. For another 20 more years, I think I'll continue to receive. And I wish you good luck and Yashvardhan and Mayan also, that he is such a blissful father. Good day.
Hi Manish, how are you? Well, I'm a bit late in sending this video. I apologize for that. And I don't know where to start to say something about you, because I still remember the first time I met you. The first thing that came across about you was your simplicity, and you come out to as a very wonderful human being to me, and your simplicity really attracts me the most. I love the way you are absolutely carefree, jovial, and always happy. And it's really wonderful to have a friend like you. And I think I'm fortunate to having met you as a friend through the Honey Bunnies group, and would cherish to have you as a friend for the rest of my life. And here's wishing you guys all the best in your new life in Bangkok, and hope to see you soon. Well, love you all. Take care. That's it from now. Sorry Saloni is not there in this video because she's in Singapore, so that's why it's just me over here. Anyways, see you guys soon when you're in Bombay. Enjoy yourself.
Hi
Cheers.
Manish bhai, how are you? I hope all is well with you. You have been a very supportive, caring and loving brother towards me. I thank God for giving me such a loving and caring brother like you. You are my mentor and supporter in my life. Thank you for being such a lovely brother towards me. Thank you, love you, and
Hi,
God
Mama.
bless you.
So I will say something good about you now, huh? You are the most selfish soul I've ever met. You'll go out of your way to help people around us, around you, your relatives, your friends, and everyone. I have so many memories with you. Santa Cruz home, we used to go to Space Jam, Monopoly nights, and everything. I still remember all of them. You have spoiled us in a nice way. Always cheating in Monopolies and all that things. And you are always smiling, always lovely. Be like that only, never change. I know you're always there for us. You'll be always there for us, like whenever we need you. I can call you up at any time, and 4 a.m. if I'm stuck, I know if I'll call you and I'll be, sorted Karina. And don't change, please be like this only. And I know you'll always be like this only, sorry, but just love the way you live your life and everything, just be it like that way only, no tension, nothing, just be smiling all around. And thanks for all that things that you have given to us, and thank you. Thank you, Mami, to give us this opportunity to tell so many things about Mama. I guess this will be short notice, but not short video, but I can still go on and on.
Hi Manish Kaka, how are you? Sarit is very jealous because he hasn't been asked to make this video and I am. So yes, I've known you for years. I remember attending your wedding, and then ever since that I've known you. But to be honest, I know you as Toral's favorite Kaka. Whatever I know about you is through Toral, and that's how I started to know you even better. A very jolly, kind-hearted, always having fun kind of a person. I've never kind of seen you very serious ever. A foodie. I know you love food. All the good restaurants in Bombay have been introduced by you to either my sister or Sarit. And even in Bangkok, I remember going to Govinda with Sarit because you'd recommended it to him. You're an amazing father. The way you spend time with Yashvardhan and Mayan, and the bond you have with them, especially Yashvardhan spending his Saturdays with you at the office in Bombay and you ordering your favorite food with him. That's amazing. I mean, these days everyone's getting very busy in their life, but you still kind of get time of your busy routine and spend time with the boys and not just give them iPads to keep them busy or give them a mobile phone to keep them busy. You spend some quality time with them, which is amazing. What else do I tell you about? Somebody who loves Odvo, because whenever Ba makes Odvo, she has to pack a double for you. So, and yes, somebody I know will always be there in times of need. And I can tell you with experience, because there was a time Papa needed some help from you, and you never lingered around, or you never made up any stories. That help was provided within an hour, and we are always going to be very grateful to you for that help. What else do I say? I think, yeah, there's a lot more to say, but this is all I can think about right now. So yes, an amazing father, an amazing husband. The bond you share with Shital Kaki, it's just out of this world, even after so many years of being married. An amazing son, and an equally amazing human being. Always be yourself, never ever 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 change, come what may. And looking forward to see you in Bangkok real soon. And lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi Manish bhai. I was just thinking about how 5 years ago I was trying really hard to get admitted to NIFT, and I came to you asking for some leads, and you were so proactive, and it is very rare to meet people like you who are so humble, so approachable. Another fond memory I think that we all have is that sleepover at yours, where you made us this massive bowl of dessert with lots of vanilla ice cream and every chocolate we could possibly think of. Maybe it's time we do another one, and probably in Bangkok this time.
Hi Manish bhai. One of the crazy memories I have with you is the dessert night and the stayover that we had at your old place. It was amazing. Had never had a dessert like that, and had never seen you, had never seen that side of you. Even after so many years have passed by, we still think of that one night. Though the other stayovers after that at your new place were equally fun. I remember the hookah night at your place, and how we played so many games on your bed, and we never wanted to get up from that big chair that you had. We all took turns to sit there and rather sit in each other's lap to sit on that chair. Miss you guys. I wish you guys were here and we could meet more often. Love, love, love the kids. Miss them so much, and it's a little sad that we aren't a part of them growing up. I wish we could be. Looking forward to meeting you soon and creating more such memories. Love you. Bye.
Say hi. Hi Manish. How are you? We're missing you since you've gone to Bangkok. Missing Sheetal too. Manish, since I know you, you're really a very simple guy, very sweet